Hey guys, welcome back. Drip-free Detroit, you say. Well, you've heard all the jokes. Green leaker, Drip-Troit. If there's no oil under them, there's no oil in them. Yeah, you've heard it all, but that's not really true. If you prep the seal surfaces or gasket surfaces well and clean them meticulously and use quality gaskets, like this. So there's the end plate there. And torque them to spec, they won't leak. Don't use power tools on this stuff. You see guys using those 3M pads and stuff on power tools. Just use a hand scraper, and if you want, you can use gasket remover. But I just use a scraper and light sanding. And it comes up nice and shiny. And then when the new gasket goes on, it seals and doesn't leak. You can put some contact cement on them, but I just put them on dry. So anyway, there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe and hit the like button below. Thanks again and take care.